Hi and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic. Are you considering dental work in Istanbul, Turkey, but wondering if it's really worth it? In today's video, we'll explore the benefits of getting dental treatments here in Istanbul and why so many people are choosing Turkey as their dental destination. Stay with Lema to learn more. Now, why do you need to consider Istanbul for dental work? Istanbul has become one of the top destinations for dental tourism, and also it's easy to see why. The city offers world-class dental treatments as a fraction of the cost compared to many Western countries. With a combination of highly skilled dentists, advanced technology, and also beautiful surroundings, Istanbul is an ideal place for a dental treatment. So why should you consider coming to Istanbul for dental work? Here are some key advantages. The first thing is the affordability. Dental treatments in Istanbul are significantly more affordable than in many Western countries, without compromising on the quality. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to save money on treatments like veneers, implants, or even crowns. The next thing is the high-quality care. Istanbul is home to a number of internationally accredited dental clinics. Dentists are highly trained, many having studied abroad even, and they use the latest technology to ensure the best results. The other thing is the expertise in cosmetic dentistry. Whether you're looking for help with smile makeover, dental implants, or even a simple procedure such as teeth whitening, Istanbul is known for its expertise in cosmetic dentistry. You'll find highly specialized clinics that cater to your unique needs. Also, it's quick and convenient. Many dental clinics in Istanbul offer fast, efficient services, with some treatments completed in just a few days, allowing you to get the smile you've always wanted without taking too much time off work or away from your busy schedule. Now, you might want to know if it's really worth it or not. Yes, getting dental work in Istanbul is definitely worth it for many people. Not only you can save money, but you can also enjoy a high standard of care. Plus, Istanbul is a beautiful city with so much to offer, making it a perfect place to combine dental treatments with a bit of vacation. It's a win-win. At Lema Dental Clinic, we offer top-notch dental services in a comfortable, modern environment. If you're considering dental work in Istanbul, book a consultation with us today. Like this video, subscribe for more dental tips, and leave any questions in the comment section below. We're here to help you get the perfect smile while enjoying your time in Istanbul.